Before you arrive, we've already been hard at work to ensure a safe trip. Each driver performs a 39-point inspection of the vehicle like we always have, but nowadays we've added some extra steps. All employees are screened for symptoms when checking in and required to wear face masks per CDC guidelines. Additionally, all touch points are sanitized in every vehicle and they are thoroughly cleaned at the beginning of each and every day. For the safety of our guides as well as our guests, all driver seats will be partitioned off with plexiglass, but don't worry, you'll still be able to see their pretty faces and the audio will come in loud and clear. When you arrive at our office at Poseidons Surf and Paddle, there will be somebody there to greet you. Please maintain social distance between other groups while you're checking in and waiting to board. We have a restroom and coffee stand inside, and you get 10% off everything inside the shop. We have just one request. For California state requirements, please bring your mask along with you. They are currently required when out in public in the state of California. If you have any questions, please give us a call. If you're not on a private tour, each group will have their own partitioned area. Please allow your guide to let you know when and where to board. When hopping on, the last row will get in first, followed by each row going forward. When hopping off, it's in reverse. Easy peasy. We kindly ask all guests to remain in their assigned seats to ensure a safely distanced experience. Entrance and exit of the vehicle is contactless. No need to handle any doors, we got you covered. And while you're out enjoying each stop on the tour, your guide will give all touch points throughout the vehicle a good, clean wipe down. Hand sanitizer will be available in each vehicle, and we encourage guests to use it frequently. We won't be able to provide any blankets for now, so please bring some extra layers as California weather is usually awesome but can be a little bit tricky. I hope this video has helped to inform you of the steps we've taken to ensure your safety and prepare you for your awesome excursion you have in store with us, Surf City Tours in Los Angeles.